Today, we're learning simple and useful English words, starting with the letter C. You'll see clear meanings, everyday examples, and common comparisons to help you use them naturally. Cafe, a small restaurant where you can buy drinks and light food. We met at a cafe. Cafe is a place where you drink coffee or eat light food, while coffee is the drink itself. Let's meet at a cafe. I drink coffee every morning. Coffee shop. Cafe. A coffee shop focuses mainly on serving coffee and hot drinks, while a cafe often offers food and can be a more general meeting place. In everyday English, the difference is often small, and in many places the words are used interchangeably. Camera. A device used to take photos or videos. I took a photo with my camera. Camouflage, a way of hiding by blending with the environment. The animal uses camouflage. Can opener, a tool used to open cans. I used a can opener to open the tin. Capsule, a small container or pill with medicine inside. Take one capsule a day. Car, a vehicle with 4 wheels used for transportation. I drive my car to work every day. Carve, to cut meat into pieces or to shape something by cutting. He carved the turkey. They carved pumpkins for Halloween. Cashier, a person who takes payments in a shop. The cashier gave me my receipt. Cash dispenser, a machine that gives you money from your bank account. I took money from the cash dispenser. Cash dispenser. ATM. Both refer to a machine that gives you money from your bank account. ATM is more common internationally, while cash dispenser is often used in British English. I took money from the ATM. Clothe. To provide someone with clothes. The charity helps clothe families. Clothes. Items people wear on their body. I need new clothes for winter. Outfit. A set of clothes worn together. She wore a casual outfit. Casual. Relaxed and informal. He wore casual clothes. Clothe, dress, outfit. Clothe means to provide someone with clothes. Dress means to put clothes on someone or yourself. And outfit refers to the clothes themselves. She dressed the child. The charity helps clothe families. He bought a new outfit. A dress code is a set of rules about what clothes are appropriate for a place or event. Common dress codes include casual, smart casual, formal, and black tie. If someone is overdressed, they are wearing clothes that are too formal for an event. If they are underdressed, they are not dressed formally enough. He felt overdressed at the casual party. She was underdressed for the formal dinner. These words are often used when people feel uncomfortable because they didn't follow the dress code. Catalog. A list of items for sale or reference. I was browsing the IKEA catalog to renovate the living room furniture. Catastrophe. A very bad event causing damage. The flood was a catastrophe. Category. A group of similar things. This book fits that category. When fit is used with ideas, categories, roles, or situations, it means to belong to match, or to be suitable for, not physical size. That explanation fits the problem. She fits the role perfectly. The job doesn't fit his experience. Fit, to be the correct shape or size for something. This piece fits here. The last puzzle piece doesn't fit. Fit in, to feel comfortable and be accepted in a group. He tried to fit in at his new school. Celebrate, to do something special for an event. We celebrate her birthday. Celebration, a special event to mark an occasion. The celebration was amazing. The wedding celebration lasted all night. Centenary, the 100th anniversary of an event. Centenary Square is a large public square in Birmingham, England, named in 1989 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Birmingham becoming a city. It's a key civic space used for festivals, markets, and celebrations, and is located next to landmarks like the Library of Birmingham and the Hall of Memory. Central, in the middle or most important. The hotel is in a central area. Central can mean location, in the middle of a city, e.g., Central Park, or importance, main or key, e.g., central heating. Core, the central or most important part of something. Trust is at the core of the relationship. Center, the middle point of something. The shop is in the city center. Center refers to the physical middle of a place. Central describes importance or location, and core refers to the essential or most important part of something. Ceremony, a formal event for a special occasion. The award ceremony was held yesterday. Chaos, a state of complete confusion or disorder. The office was in chaos after the power cut. Champion, a person or team that wins a competition. She became world champion. Championship, a major competition to find the best team or player. They won the championship last year. Cholesterol, a type of fat found in the blood. High cholesterol can be dangerous. Coronary. Heart attack. Coronary relates to the heart's arteries and is often used informally to mean a heart attack, which is the sudden failure of the heart due to blocked blood flow. He suffered a heart attack. He had a coronary. Cigar, a roll of tobacco that people smoke. He smoked a cigar after dinner. Cinema, a place where you watch films. Let's go to the cinema tonight. Cinema, movie theater. Theater, a place where films or live performances are shown. Let's go to the cinema tonight. We saw the film at the movie theater. The theater is showing a play. Circulate means to move continuously around a system. Circulation is the noun form, and circular describes a round shape or movement. In English, circulate is often used for air, traffic, information, and blood. The plane has a system that circulates fresh air during the flight. Traffic circulates smoothly in the city center. Blood circulation is essential for the body. They sat around a circular table. Circle, circular. Circle is a round shape, noun, while circular is an adjective meaning round or moving in a circle. Draw a circle on the paper. Class, a group of students, or a lesson. The class starts at 9. Club, an organization or place for social or sports activities. She joined a tennis club. Coma, a state of deep unconsciousness. The patient was in a coma. Comma, a punctuation mark used in writing. Use a comma here. Command, an order given to a person or animal to do something. The dog obeyed the command to sit. Commander, a person in charge of a group, especially in the military or police. The commander gave clear orders. Comic, funny or humorous. The story is comic. Comedian, a person who makes people laugh. The comedian told jokes. Code, a system of rules or symbols. You need a code to open the hotel safe. The Da Vinci Code, based on the novel by Dan Brown and starring Tom Hanks, revolves around a mystery connected to religion, art, and history. The story focuses on the core idea that a hidden truth lies at the heart of famous symbols and institutions. Computer. An electronic machine used to store and process information. I use my computer every day. Condensed milk. Thick, sweet milk with water removed. Add condensed milk to the dessert. Conference. A formal meeting for discussion. She attended a business conference. Confetti. Small pieces of paper thrown at celebrations. When the party ended, they had to sweep the floor to collect all the confetti. Consonant. A speech sound that is not a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the rest are consonants. A cooker is a kitchen appliance used to cook food. In British English, it usually means the stove plus oven together. A cordon is a line or barrier used to separate or restrict access to an area, often used in police, security, or political contexts. Police set up a cordon around the building. Cordon sanitaire is also used in English, especially in politics, to mean political isolation. The parties agreed to a political cordon. Cosmopolitan. Modern and international. It's a cosmopolitan city. Covering. Something that covers or protects. A thick covering of snow covered the cars. A plastic covering protected the table. Crayfish. A small freshwater shellfish similar to a lobster. Crayfish are common in this region. Creamy. Having a smooth and soft texture. This soup is very creamy. Cream. Figurative. The best or most excellent part of something. She is the cream of the team. The cream of the crop. The best people or things in a group. The top quality. These students are the cream of the crop. The cream of society. The event was attended by the cream of society. Cruel. Causing pain or suffering. Losing the final in the last minute was a cruel ending. Correct. Without mistakes. Your answer is correct. Critical. Very important, or expressing strong opinions. This is a critical moment. She was very critical of the decision. In this sense, critical means expressing strong or negative opinions, not importante or crucial. Critical thinking, the ability to analyze information carefully and make reasoned judgments. Critical thinking helps students solve problems effectively. Teachers encourage critical thinking in their students. Critical thinking is about questioning, evaluating, and reasoning, not just memorizing facts. Crucial, extremely important, or necessary. Communication is crucial for success. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and see you in the next video.